You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding investments. Investing. It might seem like a daunting word, something only financial experts understand. But let me tell you, investing is your ticket to financial freedom, no matter who you are. It's about putting your money to work for you, growing it over time so you can achieve your dreams. Whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or just having peace of mind, investing can help you get there. You might be thinking, investing sounds great, but isn't it complicated? Not anymore. In 2025, we have amazing tools and platforms that make investing accessible to everyone. Think user-friendly apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash, where you can start investing with just a few dollars. These platforms offer educational resources and even allow you to invest in fractional shares of big companies. Now, let's talk about the exciting part, the benefits of investing. The stock market has historically grown over the long term, meaning your money has the potential to multiply. This is called compound growth, where your returns generate even more returns. Investing also helps you beat inflation, which is when prices of goods and services increase. Ready to jump in? Start by setting clear financial goals. Then research different investment options like stocks, bonds, and index funds. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually increase your investments. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency are key.